Art movement, feminist art, 1960 present, characteristics of the period. Feminist art emerged in the 1960s as part of the broader feminist movement, striving for gender equality and social justice. This art movement centers on female experiences and perspectives, using art as a tool to question gender inequality, power structures, and societal norms. Feminist art is multidisciplinary, spanning performance, installation, text, photography, and video. The movement challenges traditional art forms by elevating domestic and everyday themes to legitimate art status and experimenting with new modes of expression. Its aim is not only representation, but also structural change in how art is produced, valued, and interpreted. Female artists. Judy Chicago created The Dinner Party, 1974 to 1979, an iconic work honoring forgotten women in history through a symbolic table setting. Guerrilla Girls. This anonymous collective has used satirical works like posters and billboards since 1985 to expose gender and racial inequality in the art world. Mary Kelly explores the complexities of motherhood in works like Postpartum Document, 1973 to 1979, focusing on language, identity, and gender roles. Carolee Schneemann, her performance Interior Scroll, 1975, challenged viewers to reconsider female sexuality and the role of the body in art. Challenges for women in this period. Institutional exclusion. Feminist art and themes were often ignored by museums and galleries, limiting visibility for female artists. Stigmatization. Feminist works were frequently labeled as activist or political, diminishing their credibility as serious art. Barriers to collaboration. Collectives like the Guerrilla Girls had to remain anonymous to avoid backlash, limiting their influence. Female qualities in their work. Empathy and care. Chicago and Kelly focused on shared female experiences like motherhood and community. Courage. Schneemann and the Guerrilla Girls confronted audiences with uncomfortable truths about power, sexuality, and oppression. Innovation and collaboration. Feminist art combines traditional techniques with provocative concepts and collective action. Reflection on today. Feminist art fundamentally transformed how we view art by merging personal and political themes. It reminds us that art is not only a reflection of society, but also a catalyst for change. Today, feminist art urges vigilance against new forms of exclusion and inequality, especially in digital spaces like the metaverse. It underscores the ongoing relevance of feminism in a world where technology, globalization, and climate crises shape the future of gender equality. Thanks for your attention. Artivism Feminine empowers women by reflecting on the past to shape the future. Explore our exhibition on the immersive platform Anasia, curated by Annalise Newey, and see how art inspires a stronger, more inclusive tomorrow. Follow us and join the movement.